All right, folks, as opposed to an alcohol test today, we are going to do a propane boil test. We're going to use a 1-pound cylinder of propane with the burner element here on top. Same thing, 2 cups of water, 59 degrees. So this is almost identical to all the other burn tests we've done with alcohol, various alcohols, the Sterno, the Trangia, and the alcohol siphon. This is a little bit heavier, comes in at like 2 pounds, 11 ounces, all when you count in everything. And the alcohol stove does come in, the latest one, which I have, which is with the cubic, comes in, including fuel now, comes in at about 1 pound and 5 ounces. So about 1 pound and 6-7 ounces heavier as far as weight is concerned. But let's see if the boil time is any faster. So let's fire this beast up. And we'll hit start. And we are cooking with gas, and I'll come back when we're getting close to a boil. We have just crossed the 200 degree mark at 4 minutes and 6 seconds. We're at 203, 205. Going to be pretty soon here. Will we get it by 4:30? I think we will. 4:19, 4:20, somewhere in that time frame. We got to a boil, which is about 1.5 minutes faster than the alcohol stove. So if you're looking for speed, this might be the route. But if you're looking to go minimalist and avoid all this noise, you can hear it. It's like a jet engine going off a little bit. Then maybe you'll still stick with alcohol. That's completely up to you. But again, proof of the boil. There it is. Ouch, that's hot. Once again, there are a bunch of channels you could be watching. I appreciate that you came in and looked at mine. Have a nice day and happy holidays, everybody.